Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mazda 3 Maxx Sport sedan, stock reference number 5287. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror has some light scratches on the outside cover. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left side skirt, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left boot lid garnish, right hand rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard seems to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, sat nav display screen, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.